Hello, and welcome to the Technic Force tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you the Tools section of List Janitor. Let's click on the Tools menu to open its submenu. This section allows you to merge multiple lists, subtract one list from another, find common email addresses between two lists, and find unique emails that aren't present in the second list. Let's walk through each feature one by one. First, click on the Merge List option to open it. Here, you'll select the lists you want to merge. A cool feature is that you can merge as many lists as you want. You just need to click the plus button to add more options for merging additional lists. For now, let's remove the extra options and stick with two lists for merging. Now select the first list, then the second list. Enter a name for your new merged list and hit the OK button. As you can see, the new list has been created. You can export the entire list from here. Next, let's check out the Subtract List option. Click on Subtract List to open it. Select the list from which you want to subtract. I'll choose this one. Then, select the list you want to subtract from the first one. I'll select this one. Enter a name for the new list and hit OK, and it will create the subtracted list for you. As you can see, subtracted list is now created. Now, let's look at the Find Common Emails option. Click on Find Common Emails to open it. Here, select the first and second list, and it will generate a list of all the common email addresses. First list, I'll choose this list as first list. And this one as a second list. Enter a name, and then hit OK, and you'll see it will create a new list with the common emails from the selected lists. As you can see, Common List is now created. Lastly, let's explore the Find Unique Emails option. Click on Find Unique Emails to open it. Select the first and second lists, and it will create a list of the emails that are present in the first list, but not in the second. Let's select the first list, and this one is the second list. Enter a name and hit OK. As you can see, it has created a list of emails that are unique to the first list and not found in the second. And that's how you can easily create new email lists based on your needs. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.